Welcome to my vlog. Today I am visiting Dadigama Kotavehera, which is located in Nelumdaniya in the Kegol district. This place is very special because of its historical and archaeological value. Today I will share my experience with you. First, let me explain how to reach this place. When traveling along the Colombo-Kandy main road, you can turn at Nelumdaniya junction and travel about 3 km along Galapitamada road to reach the Dadigama. Also, you can come via the Avisawella Kegol road, turning at Pitagaldaniya junction and passing through Tuntota. When we first arrive, we can see an ancient stupa. This is known as Dadigama Kotavehera, also called the Sutigara Chaitya. According to history, Prince Manavarna ruled the southern region in 12th century with Dadigama as his center. His queen Princess Ratnavali gave birth to a prince at the place where the Kotavehera stupa stands today. That prince later became the greatest king Parakramabahu I, one of the most famous ruler in the Sri Lankan history. As he grew up, he first became a regional ruler in the Mayaratta area. To remember his birthplace, he built a small stupa at that location. Later, after unifying the whole country and becoming king in Polonnaruwa, he expanded it by building a large stupa around the original one. Because it was built at his birthplace, it became known as the Sutigara Chaitya. Excavation carried out from 1947 by Charles Godakumbura revealed a large amount of important information about the Kotavehera. Today, the stupa has the circumference of about 804 feet and a height of about 47 feet. The local museum here was built after the excavation of the stupa was completed. It was created to display the valuable artifact found at this site, and it is considered the first regional museum building in Sri Lanka. In 1951, many important relics were discovered from the stupa's relic chambers. A main treasure chamber and 8 smaller chambers were found, decorated with images of deities, arahant, and floral designs. Several valuable items were also uncovered, including golden Buddha statues, coins from Polonnaruwa period, a gem-studded relic casket, oil lamps, and other ancient objects. These discoveries clearly show the rich history and cultural heritage of Polonnaruwa period. You can learn about the antiquities and archaeological sites found in various places in the Kegol district today. The most important artifact here is the bronze elephant oil lamp, known as the Dadigama elephant lamp. It is the world-famous masterpiece, with one lamp kept at the Colombo National Museum and the other at this museum. It was discovered in 1951 from the first treasure chamber and belongs to the Polonnaruwa period. It can be used both as hanging lamp and a standing lamp. This lamp is also special because of its advanced design. It has a self-regulating oil system that shows the high engineering knowledge of that time. So my journey ends here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you were able to learn something about this place. Don't forget to like and share. Thank you.